Sorry for the interruption. The internet had stopped suddenly. Okay, so we are back online now. Okay, so we will start again. Don't worry, right? Just a second. So the question says length and width of a floor hall are 420 and 260 centimeters. Okay. Now, how many square tiles of each side 20 centimeter are needed to cover the floor? Yes. So, Siddhi, if you are not able to see me, please log out once and log in again. Okay. Now, the question is that this entire hall has to be covered with square tiles. Okay, square tiles, and that square tile, because it's a square and only one side is given, so that is 20 into 20. Yes, 20 length, 20 breadth, which is very easy to understand. Yes. So question is, how many tiles, which book we have to write in your notebook, in your notebook only, right? Okay, yes, you have to write this. All right, so how many tiles are required to cover this entire hall? Okay, that is the question, right? Very easy. All right, let's try to solve this example. First of all, you need to draw this, that all this in your notebook using a scale. Use a scale. Don't do rough work like me. Don't do rough work like I am doing it. Okay, I cannot use scale on my laptop here. Come on. And I'm still learning. Okay, right? Come on. Then we have to write the information given. Information given, because it's a story sum, we have to be very careful with what is given and what we have to do. Okay, so this is drawing part. Now the information given, you can do it in the notebook properly. Okay, now length of hall, okay, is equal to 420 centimeter, and breadth of hall is equal to 260 centimeter. Then side of square tile is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, right? Done, everyone? Have you noted this down? Come on, do it. Dhwani, note it down quickly. No talking with parents. Come on. And I want, yes, you have to write Gia. Come on, do it fast. Dhruvika, don't worry. If you are not able to see me, that is because of poor internet. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to put this recording on YouTube anyway, so you can check it out later on. Don't worry. No need to panic. Okay, you have to stay calm. Deep breaths. Take deep breaths. Right? Come on. Come on, everyone. Done? All right. Going to the next slide now. There is still one more line left, which is number of tiles required, question mark. Right? That is what we are going to find. So going to the next line, right? Hold on a second. Number of tiles required is equal to question mark. So we know that what information we have and what information we have to find out. Dhruvika, like I said, deep breaths, right? Take deep breaths, listen, just listen, pay attention. Okay. So first of all, now in this case, what we have to do, going back to the previous slide, what we have to do is we have to find out the area of the hall, okay, and area of one tile, area of one tile, okay. Everyone understands this? Yes. Then the question is that how many tiles are required to completely cover. That means on the floor of the hall we have to put this small tiles all the way, okay. So to find out the number of tiles we will have to divide the area of hall by area of one tile, okay. That's what we are going to find. So area of hall, area of hall. Now since we know that the lengths are given and length and breadth are given and it's rectangle, the equation to be used is L by B, which is 420 into 260. So the answer for these two will be 420 and 26. This is my rough work, okay. You can do your rough work on the side, I can do my work here. 4 2 2 6. I'm going to use lattice method, okay. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 2 6 are 12. So 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus 8 10. 1 carried over, 1 will come here. So I have got 1092 and then two zeros at the back of it. Come on, do it fast. Come on. But what will be the unit? Square centimeter. Come on, let's do this. Yes. Kavya, you made a small mistake, beta. Correct it. 1000. Sorry. The answer is 109,200 square centimeters. Okay. That is first part. Okay. Now area of one tile. Yes, 109,200. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Now area of one tile. Area of tile is equal to side into side. So 20 into 20. Answer is 400 square centimeter. Come on, do it fast. Note it down quickly. ध्वनि आपके चेहरे पर से ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है जैसे बहुत डिफिकल्ट सम है? Is it a difficult problem? It is not. It is very easy. Only thing is it's lengthy. Right? It is a long problem. That's it. Okay. And this is not final answer yet. We have to do one more step. Come on. We still have got one more step to do. Hey Patel. Come on. Yug Chirag Patel. Where is he? Is he in the class? No. Yug Dilip Bhai is there. Come on. Where? Oh, Yug Chirag Patel is here. Very good. Ah, there. I see. Okay. Your video is not visible, beta. I can't see you. That is why. Very good. Very good. I don't know why, but nobody in this class sits in proper uniform anymore. क्या हुआ? सब यूनिफॉर्म से बड़े हो गए? You should be wearing uniform, है ना? कभी कभी तो पहन लो, वरना तो भूल जाओगे कि यूनिफॉर्म कैसे पहनना था. Right? Come on. Okay. So next step. Right? Now, number of tiles required is equal to area of hall divided by area of one tile, right? So area of hall was 109,200 divided by 400. What will be the answer? 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So we have got 1092 divided by 4. I am doing rough side on the left because I have space here. In your notebook, you have to do the rough work on your right side. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 comes down. 4 7s are 28. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 comes down. 4 3s are 12. Okay, you can do it the rest of the part. So answer is 273. Okay, 273. Very good, Jeet. Good job. All right. So is this the final answer? Is this the final answer? Dvij Patel, Shubh Parekh, Jia Patel is saying yes. हवा निकल रही है उसकी. Yes, multiple S typing. You should type YES only. Right? Okay. Yes, that's better. See, yes, Yug is doing good. Okay. All right. No, this is not the final answer because it is a story sum. The answer should be in sentence only. All right. The answer must be in sentence. Okay. So the final answer will be. I'm not going to write this down. You have to write it down. Okay. I'm not going to write it down. You have to do it. The final answer is total number of tiles. If you want to note it down, I can go slow. Total number of tiles required to cover the floor is 273. There you can write the number. Okay. Final sentence one more time. Total number of tiles required to cover the floor is 273. Done? Going to the next example. In your workbook, next example is question number 2. The length and breadth of a white sheet of paper are 36 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Kumar covers the complete area of the paper with stamps. If each side of a stamp is 4 centimeter, how many stamps does he need? It is just like this example number 1, right? Instead of the hall, they have given a paper. Instead of the tiles, they have used stamps. What you have to do? First, find the area of paper. Second step, find the area of stamp. Third number of stamps required is equal to area of the paper divided by area of one stamp, and you get your answer. Okay, so that example I'm going to give as homework. Question number 2 is homework from workbook worksheet number 69. Question number 2 is your homework. All right, next example. Next example. Now this is an interesting one. Come on, note it down. This is very easy example, actually very easy example, but it is in story sum, so you have to think about it. Okay, this is one way to give you a troubling example. Okay, let's go for the next example, which is question number 3 in the worksheet number 69. The perimeter of a square field is 44 meter. Perimeter of a square is equal to 44 meter. Find the length of each side. We have to find length is equal to what? So it is a square. So for a square, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times the side. And for side, I can write, for the side word, I can write length also, 4 times the length. Yes, so the length becomes perimeter of square divided by 4, which is 44 divided by 4. What will be the answer? 11. But 11 what? Meters. So length of square, length of side of square is equal to is 11 meters. That is your answer, proper answer, right? In story sum, not centimeter yoga. You have to be very alert with the units. Okay, you have to be extremely alert with the units. Small mistake in units and half mark will be cut. Okay, even in the exams. All right, even in the exam, if you make a mistake with units, I'll just cut away half mark. I'm very strict in that matter. Okay, come on, everyone. Right, if you make a small mistake in unit, I won't spare you, no matter how hard you have worked in the class. Okay, I cannot tolerate mistake in unit. Yes, Devashri, come on. Done, everyone? Vansh Patel. Okay, good, very good. Now, next example we are going to go for, which is number 4. Again, homework, right? Let me write it down somewhere for everyone to remember, so that I can put it in the diary later on. In the MCB diary I will put it, right? Question number, worksheet number 69. Worksheet number 69. Question number 2 and 4 is going to be homework. The perimeter of a playground is 72 meters. If the width of this playground is 18 meter, find its length. We know perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B. Yes, and if you want to find length, then it becomes perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So perimeter is 72 divided by 2 is 36. 36 minus 18 it is going to be. So the final answer is again 80, right? But you will have to do it on your own. I am not going to solve it for you. Question number 4 is going to be homework. Number 5. A square cardboard sheet has an area of 81 square centimeter. Find the perimeter of the cardboard. Very good. This is very interesting example. Question number 5. area of square is equal to 81 square centimeter, and they have asked for perimeter of square. Okay, right? Now we know that perimeter of square is what? 4 times side, right? Perimeter is what? Don't write now. Okay, do not write now. Stop writing. Everyone stop writing. Put your pen down. Pay attention. Focus, right? I want your eagle eyes on the screen. Come on, I want your eagle eyes on the screen. आंखें बड़ी कर लो, zoom कर लो आंखों को. चलो, right? Okay. So to find perimeter of a square, we need side, yes, and we have got only area. Do we have side? No, it is given, it is hidden, है ना? कहीं पे छुपी हुई है, उसको ढूंढ के बाहर निकालना है, right? So how will we do it? We know what is area of a square. Formula of area of square, it is side into side. Okay, area is what? Side into side. Area of a square is equal to side into side. So 81 is equal to s into s, and when we have this, what do? We find factorization of 80, right? Factorization of 81. Okay, since it is 81, we cannot divide it by 2, so we go for 3. 327 is 81, again 3, so 9, another 3, one more 3 here, and we will get 1 here. So 81, right? I'm going to write it here. 81 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have to make pairs now. We have to make pairs here. So 3 3s is 9 into 9. So side is equal to what? 9 centimeter. Okay, and once we have side, then it becomes very easy that perimeter is equal to 4 times side, which is 9. So 4 9s are 36 centimeter. Okay, yes, come on, now you can note it down. Start writing. Very good, Yug Patel. Good job. Very good. Come on, everyone. Finish this up. Yes, Jia, bolo.
Sir, why is the side 9, not 20?
Sorry?
9 nines are,
81.
sir, in 9 nines are 81. Then why is it 9 side?
क्योंकि 2 times हमें multiply करना है, side into side, है ना? Right? It is side into side, not side with any other thing, so that the answer will become 81. Right? 81. Both the side, because it's a square, both the side must be same, and that happens
Yes.
only when it is 9. Otherwise, it won't happen. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Okay. Come on. Now the next example, question number 6. A square garden has a perimeter of 48 meters. Find the area of garden. Okay. Now here, for this example, perimeter is given. We know perimeter is 4 times side. So side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. We can find side, right? 48 divided by 4 is going to be 12. And once we have one side, we can find area of a square. Very easy, right? It is side by side, side into side, which is 12 into 12. The answer will be 144 square meters. But that is going to be your homework. Okay, so question number 6, again homework. All right, everyone, question number 6 is going to be homework, and so is question entire worksheet number 70. There are only 4 examples in worksheet 70, and everything is given to you very easily how to write, right? It is very easily done. You can do it. Okay, so remaining examples of worksheet number 69 and worksheet 70 is going to be homework. Come on, right? That's it for the day. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.